Theta Digital Money is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks at present experience the ill effects of exceptionally unfortunate dispersion in essentially less created nations, really expensive establishment, and a by and large concentrated gadget, or so they thought. Furthermore, Theta considers the current foundation caught off guard for the developing requests that it will confront because of the developing execution of 4 Kelvin, 8 Kelvin computer-generated experience, and other especially progressed improvements, which is genuinely huge. Theta fundamentally was an ERC20 coin in light of Ethereum blockchain in an extremely huge manner. Presently, it chips away at its especially own mainnet. Theta makes a shared network that in a real sense means to tackle these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as an impetus layer to explicitly keep up with the constant superior exhibition of the conveyance organization. We should truly find out along with who is behind this undertaking and what the digital currency climate will mean for the cost of a coin, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Theta Principal Worth. Theta cryptographic money comprises of 2 sections. The first for the most part is a video conveyance organization. It is shaped from hubs that join the organization and give their transmission capacity. This organization frames the genuine decentralized conveyance of video. The subsequent part is the Theta blockchain, which is very huge. It exists to advance motivating forces with the goal that members can join the conveyance organization, or so they thought. Theta makes a P2P network organization of clients who share their data transmission. The outcome ought to be a worldwide organization that replaces or supplements the current CDN framework. Clients can give their gadgets as reserving hubs that communicate video transfers to any watcher on the planet in an unpretentious manner. A reserving hub truly is a hub where video information is put away, or so they thought. Since the Theta organization will fundamentally have far genuinely more reserving and handoff focuses than the ongoing framework, stream quality will improve, in opposition to prevalent thinking. This generally is because of the way that video bundles won't have to travel that far. Reserving hubs will be compensated with Theta tokens. Theta blockchain's objective essentially is to act as an agreement connect for installments and prizes in the biological system in a fundamentally significant way. It is essential to really realize that video records are not put away in the blockchain. This wouldn't be imaginable because of information necessities. The blockchain truly is completely open, and the group trusts that engineers will sort of make and post their really own dApps on the blockchain. Theta digital currency utilizes an accumulated mark conspire. This implies that the Watchman hubs, rather than sending their marks to the wide range of various hubs, explicitly send them to adjoining hubs. This cycle keeps spreading marks in essentially similarly an infection would fundamentally spread in a pandemic in a significant manner. Theta value investigation. As per the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of Theta organization especially is $76, and Theta sort of is by position no in a very significant manner. 46 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Theta organization most certainly is 1 billion Theta, with a market cap of $764,612,283.79. In the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has for the most part diminished by 1 cent in its truly current worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta essentially has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 2.44%, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could for the most part be a great chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of Theta has diminished by 15.97%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of 12 cents from its in every way that really matters. Current worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it can generally be a decent purchasing and open door for fast interest amazingly. Theta organization value expectation 2023, or so they thought. After the examination of the costs of Theta organization in earlier years, it most certainly is accepted that in 2023, the in every practical sense, least cost of Theta organization will be around $1.24. The greatest expected Theta cost might be around $1.48 incredibly. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.28 in 2023. Theta organization value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Theta organization, in 2024, Theta is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.84 and $2.18, separately. The truly normal expected exchanging cost truly is $1.89. Theta organization value forecast 2025, or so they thought. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Theta organization and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the exceptionally least Theta cost could drop to $2.68, while its especially most extreme can reach $3.20. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $2.75. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Theta Organization by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and fundamentally least Theta costs are normal in 2026, $4.62 and $3.75. By and large, it will for the most part be exchanged at $3.88. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2027, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Crypto specialists really are continually investigating the changes of Theta Organization. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Theta cost will explicitly be around $5.48. It could drop to at least $5.33. However, it actually could reach $6.40 all through 2027. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028, which is very huge. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Theta Organization in an unobtrusive manner. It sort of is assessed that Theta will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $7.85 and $9.25 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $8.12 during the year. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029, which generally is genuinely critical. Cryptographic money examiners are genuinely prepared to declare their assessments of the Theta Organization's cost. A year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest Theta cost of $13.95, in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $11.70, or so they thought. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $12.03. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030 in a quite huge manner. Following quite a while of investigation of the Theta Organization cost, crypto specialists are especially prepared to give their Theta cost assessment to 2030, which is genuinely huge. It will be exchanged for no less than $17.92, with the conceivable kind of greatest tops at $20.99 in a significant manner. By and large, you can for the most part anticipate that the Theta cost should be around $18.53 in 2030. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031 and in every practical sense, large way. Digital money investigators sort of are prepared to report their assessments of the Theta Organization's cost, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The year 2031 will still up in the air by the greatest Theta cost of $31.12. In any case, its rate could drop to around $25.99, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $26.92, which is very critical. Theta Organization cost now, in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, Theta Organization cost by and large is 77 cents with Theta Organization market capitalization of $765,014,000.